Hey guys, quick review for you on this Bic multi-purpose lighter. I've had this thing around a long time, and it's been reliable, really reliable so far. I mean, obviously it's Bic, so it's a good brand and good quality, but one of the things that's really cool is, I mean, it's just super easy to use, right? I mean, you push your safety down, squeeze the trigger, and it works. I mean, it's safety, so for your kids, they don't know how to use it, they're not gonna burn your house down or anything. Um, One of the things that actually I hadn't paid much attention to until recently is that it has this little kind of hook thing here at the end, and I wasn't sure what to do with it until I realized it's good if you have maybe pegboard or something in your garage. You can hook it. I'm not sure where else you might use it at, but that's pretty cool, I guess. And then, of course, this one has the flexible neck, so if you're, you know, maybe need to use it for your water heater, it has a really good angle on it so you can get to it. I take it camping, so it's easy to, like, get down in your fire in the wood, and if you want to have like your fire starter or whatever and get to it, that's been really cool. But overall, I mean, it's a really good product. I highly recommend it.